Kale side effects. Kale has gained immense popularity in recent years due to its numerous health benefits. This dark, leafy green is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it a nutritious addition to any diet. However, like any other food, consuming kale in excessive amounts or improperly prepared may lead to certain side effects. In this video, we will explore some of the potential detrimental effects of kale consumption, while also highlighting its many beneficial qualities. One of the most commonly reported side effects of eating kale is digestive issues. Kale contains high levels of fiber, which promotes a healthy digestive system. However, consuming large quantities of kale can lead to bloating, gas, and even stomach cramps in some individuals. This is especially true for those with sensitive stomachs or pre-existing digestive conditions. Another potential side effect of eating too much kale is the negative impact it can have on thyroid function. Kale is categorized as a goitrogenic food, meaning it can interfere with the body's ability to absorb iodine. This can potentially lead to thyroid problems, such as hypothyroidism, in individuals who already have iodine deficiencies or are susceptible to thyroid issues. Furthermore, kale contains high levels of oxalates, naturally occurring compounds that can contribute to the formation of kidney stones. Individuals with a history of kidney stones or those prone to developing them should exercise caution when consuming kale and consult with their healthcare provider about appropriate portion sizes. In some cases, kale consumption has been associated with allergic reactions. Although rare, individuals with allergies to other cruciferous vegetables, such as broccoli or cabbage, may also be allergic to kale. Symptoms of an allergic reaction may include itching, hives, swelling, or even anaphylaxis in severe cases. Excessively consuming raw kale can also interfere with the absorption of certain nutrients like calcium and iron. Kale contains compounds called phytates, which can inhibit the absorption of these essential minerals. To mitigate this, cooking kale or pairing it with foods rich in vitamin C can enhance the absorption of iron and calcium. Despite these potential side effects, it is important to note the overall health benefits of kale. Its nutrient-dense profile makes it an excellent source of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as antioxidants that protect against chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. Additionally, kale is low in calories and high in fiber, making it an excellent choice for weight management and digestive health when consumed in moderation. To minimize the chance of experiencing side effects, it is recommended to vary the types of greens consumed and not rely solely on kale as the main source. Incorporating other leafy greens like spinach, Swiss chard, or collard greens into the diet can help diversify nutrient intake while reducing the risk of potential side effects. In conclusion, while kale is undoubtedly a nutritious vegetable, it is essential to be aware of potential side effects associated with its consumption. Digestive issues, thyroid interference, kidney stones, allergies, and nutrient malabsorption are some of the potential risks. However, these side effects are typically observed when kale is consumed in excessive amounts or by individuals with pre-existing conditions. Moderation, variety, and consultation with a healthcare provider, if necessary, are key to ensuring a healthy and balanced diet that includes the many benefits of kale. I hope this information on kale side effects was helpful. If so, please hit the like button. For more topics on kale, kale diets, kale smoothies, and tips on eating healthy with kale, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching, and let's change our eating habits for a better life and lifestyle.